Hello everyone, here the ARP FRB team. In this video we are going to explain how you can install ARP FRB tool and we will fix some problems we may face. So first you have to download it from official website by click on download now. After download you will find it compressed as zip file. Before extract and install you have to go to start menu, then settings and update and security, then Windows security and click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings. Here real-time protection, you have to turn it off. If you found it running you have to stop the real-time protection. Then we have to go to the tool and installing, and it will going to work correctly. But sometimes you will face a problem that Windows security doesn't work. So here you have to go to search box and search about services. Here in services you have to tap on any choice and click Slider on keyboard and check security center and check its stats. So if you found it running, that used, but if you found it disabled, you have to get back search box and search about registry editor, then run as administrator. Click yes. Here from registry editor you have to click on each key local machine, then you have to click on system. From system you have to click current control set, then services. From services you have to search about that file. Now click on it, it will take you here, number 4 here. So to edit it you have to click on start and edit to number 2 and then click on OK. After editing it you have to restart your device, but if you found it running and doing good, so you don't have to do anything here. Then we will click on W to search about Windows security service. If you found security center is enabled, that means 90% you will find Windows security service is disabled, or you won't even find it. So if you didn't find it, so you have to go that files. I will keep it in description below, and we will enter that file. You will have command here, cmd command. We will open it, Control C to copy it. Then we have to go to search box and search about command prompt. Then we will run as administrator, yes, and we will copy that code here, and then we will click OK. The specific service already exists. That's my case because I have that folder or have that program already. But in your case it will show the file. You have to restart your device. After restarting device you have to check it one more time. If you found it, that means the CMT code has run it good. But if you didn't find it, you have to go back to the file here and copy that program. Go to this PC and local disk or C, then from Windows search about system32 and paste it here, and you can install it manually and it will work, and you will find that choice in services window. Then after that, if you found it running, that's good and we don't have to edit anything, or you will find it disabled, that means we will get back to that file and we will activate that registry editor code. So we will click on merge, then yes, and it's worked good. And now you can go to settings and Windows security and you can turn off the firewall or Windows Defender without any problem. Then we have to extract the tool here. Now double click to install. It will show you that window, more info, and run anyway. We will choose the language we will use, then OK, next, create a desktop shortcut, click on it if you want to find the tool in your desktop, then next, install. You will find Arab FRB tool in your desktop. Double click to open it. Now we have to create an account. First we will click on sign up. We will insert our username, phone, email and password, and we will re-enter the password here. Then we will click register. After register, we will insert our information again here. Then we will click on login. Now you can check the tool and look what is the services they are providing. Now for subscribe, you can subscribe from Telegram by the official account of Team Support, or from the official website. Go down and you will find our agents and you will find the payment method. And now you can use all the services in the tool. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.